watching this video, make sure to subscribe Magic Tadka with Reena, and please press on the notification bell if you want to see new recipes like this. Hey guys, my name is Chaitanya and today I'm going to be cooking in my mother's channel Magic Tadka with Reena. So I'm going to be cooking instant white sauce pasta, and it's going to be so yummy delicious and plus instant. And you have seen me reacting to my mother's old videos. I'm going to keep the pasta aside to mix all. This is two boiled pasta, and this is string cheese, and this is 2 spoon butter, and this is veg mayonnaise, and these are the all masalas we are going to add in the mayonnaise. This is black pepper, mixed herbs, oregano, and chili flakes. We are not going to add too much of chili flakes or else it's going to be so spicy. So let us begin with the recipe, guys. So we are going to keep the pasta aside. Now we are going to take the veg mayonnaise and we are going to put all the masalas into it. So let us start putting all the masalas into it, the chili flakes and all of the masalas. Not even a single bit can be left. So let us add all. I'm sorry guys that some of the masalas came out on the table and it was messy, and it's so gooey looking right now, and I have mixed it all up and this looks so gooey. Now it's pasta time. So I'm going to take 2 spoons of butter that I told you, and I'm going to use my hands for this. I'm not going to use spoons for this. If you are uncomfortable with it, so you can use your hands or spoons with it. It's your choice. I'm going to use my hands, so it's my choice only. So let us start mixing it, and we are not going to smudge all of this. So let us pour all the veg mayonnaise into it. Not even a single bit should be left. Now we have to mix it all up. Again, I'm telling you not to smash it, just to mix it only. And cheese time. This smells so delicious. I want to have it, but I have to pour in the instant white sauce pasta I have to made. So I will have the cheese later. So now I'm going to mix it up all together. Hi guys, I have washed my hands now, and I have this yummy delicious base of our white sauce pasta, and it looks so delicious. Now I'm going to microwave it for 2 minutes, and I'm also telling you to take your parents' help to microwave it, or else you will burn yourself so badly. Okay? So now let us begin with our recipe. So now I'm going to cook in microwave. Again, I'm warning you, take your parents' help on for the microwaves and burning things only. So this pasta is ready. Oh my gosh, this is so cheesy, and you can look at the cheesy strings. You see, right? It's so yummy. I burned my hand so badly. Ouch, I hurt myself too badly. Somebody help me. This is too tasty. This looks so tasty. I wish to have it right now, but it's so hot, so I can't have it. This smells so yummy delicious plus cheesy. You can see one cheese string. Oh, this is so yummy. I can even see the peppers in it.